We have the square root of 100b cubed, the square root of 4b cubed, minus the square root of 64b cubed. So we need to simplify each of these. So to make this one a little bit easier and quicker here, the 104 and 64, those are perfect squares. What we need to look at is take the square root of b cubed. Okay, so if I write it as this is one way. We can say 100, or you can write the prime factors, and we write out b 3 times. We know the square root of 100 is 10, and we want to look for squares, pairs, and we have a pair of b's. We can bring that on the outside. So then this is going to give us 10b times the square root of b. So our radical right now is square root of b. Okay, so if our radical is the square root of b, then I'm thinking that the other two should be the square root of b under the, as the radical. So next one, the square root of 4, b cubed. We have 3 b's. Bring the b on the outside. Take the square root of 4, which is 2. This is plus 2b square root of b minus square root of 64. 64 being a perfect square. We know the square root of 64 is 8. We have a pair of b's. We bring that on the outside. That gives us 8b square root of b. Now, all of our radicals are the same. They're like radicals, but let's take out the coefficients. We have here 10b plus 2b minus 8b. These are like terms, just like the previous example, and we know that when we add 10b and to 2b, that gives us 12b minus 8b, and then 12b minus 8b gives us 4b. These are like terms. And then keep the common radical. So our answer is 4b times the square root of b. There we go. Next example. 2 times the square root of 25 minus 7 plus the square root of 5. This is 2 times the square root of 25. So we know the square root of 25, and what is that? It will be 5. So we took the square root of 25, which is 5. Now take this 5, multiply it to the 2 that was in front of it. So we have 10. Bring down your remaining terms. And then what's like is the 10 minus the 7, and that gives us 3. And then we have plus square root of 5. Now, please do not put the answer as 3 square root of 5. That will be incorrect. We are not multiplying. Because there is a plus sign between the 3 and the square root of 5, they are not like. So this would be our final answer.